Two positions, one decision. Control movement or control fire. You don't have the strength to do both at once. The objective is the crossroads. It controls movement, supply, and reinforcements, but the hill dominates it with artillery fire. If you rush both the hill and the objective, your force fights at half strength at both locations. If you make your main effort the crossroads, you gain ground, but you stay under enemy guns. You've taken the point, not controlled the fight. So what matters more? The place you want to control, or the position that makes it possible? You can only choose one priority. Make your decision. The key is to strike the decisive points. You remove the guns that dominate the objective. Now the crossroads can't be held. The objective hasn't changed, but the battlefield has. You can turn the abandoned cannons towards the crossroads and assault with your full force. Objective means understanding what actually decides the war or battle, and shaping the fight so that control becomes inevitable. A great historical example is the Battle of Midway. When we showed up to combat the Japanese forces, our objective was to destroy the Japanese carrier force, not take back the island. And the decisive point to achieve this was air superiority and surprise, not island control. The objective wasn't the ground, it was the enemy's ability to project power. And through that, we were able to take back Midway. Next, we will look at offense, and why waiting is often the most dangerous move a commander can make. This has been Keith's Orders of Battle, Principles of War.